Good medical morning. This is Watson with a word about contour dermatology. But first, let's take a look at Dr. Tim Johan's extraction of these black and whitehead fields. He asks, does the beginning of this give you trypophobia? It's part of his Friday Squeeze initiative. Wow. And stick around for the end of the video as I'll show you one of my favorite pops. While you take a look at a few pops and procedures, let me tell you a little bit more about the up-and-coming YouTube star. I'll put a link to their page below. Contour Dermatology specializes in Mohs surgery for skin cancer removal, facial rejuvenation including cosmetic laser technology, Botox and facial fillers, soft tissue augmentation, leg and facial vein treatment, tumescent liposuction and hair restoration, and transplants. And they also have cool sculpting treatments for non-surgical fat reduction. And they've recently introduced Ultherapy treatments for non-surgical facelifting. And some of the best hair removal lasers for all skin types. Dr. Timothy Johan founded Contour Dermatology and Cosmetic Surgery Center and the Specialized Laser Center at Contour Dermatology in 2001 with the mission of helping people maintain a vibrant appearance and to feel great about their skin. Dr. Johan specializes in Mohs surgery for skin cancer removal, facial rejuvenation including cosmetic laser technology, Botox and facial fillers, soft tissue augmentation, leg and facial vein treatment, tumescent liposuction, and hair restoration and transplants. He's currently an associate clinical professor at the University of Southern California in Los Angeles, and he's been named Teacher of the Year several times. Dr. Johan also regularly gives lectures about medical and cosmetic dermatology locally, nationally, and internationally. You can visit their website at contourderm.com or on Instagram at contourderm. And comment below, would you trust Dr. Johan with your dermatology needs? He seems pretty good to me. Do you find yourself exhausted, lethargic, or just unmotivated? That means you aren't getting the deep, restful sleep you need. It's time to check out Rest More. Rest More is an all-natural herbal supplement designed to maximize your brain's ability to rest. Let's hear from some people like you.
I just had a baby 5 months ago, and I was having a hard time sleeping at night after I had her, obviously, and I tried this Rest More, and I'm sleeping so much better every night.
Doesn't make me feel groggy, fall asleep pretty easy, wake up refreshed, best sleep I ever had. Amazing, I would refer it to anybody.
Tried this for a month and it works great. I got a full night of sleep, wake up feeling nice and well rested, and now I can finally get to bed on time and have a full night of sleep.
What's better, Rest More is available on Amazon. So click the link right now in the description below. Order a bottle today and start getting the best sleep of your life.